Hey guys, it's Key and it's Key Life Trading. Thanks for tuning in to another video. So if you hear any noises in the background, it's my fan that's on. It's hot in here, and then I had to close the window because outside is loud, so bear with me if you hear any fan noises. But today is day 5 of the small account challenge, and I did 50-50 today. I lost some and then I made some back, and as you guys know, I'm down on my overall, profit. So I lost all my profit and put myself under $150. So now I got to jump back over that hurdle to get me back at break even and continue the journey. So today, the market was very iffy, shaky. It wasn't a lot of opportunity, but there was one stock that I traded today, traded 2 times, which was GCT, and that stock was a previous IPO, and it was ripping basically almost the whole day. And I took my bad trade on it where I was trading it basically kind of on the backside of the move, thinking that there was more momentum coming into the stock because it kept ripping, because it IPO'd I think around like probably 12 or something like that. But the low that I seen, from what I remember, the low that I seen was like 12 and change, and it was consolidating, and then pre-market it was going up slowly, and it didn't even hit my scanner. Is when I was looking in my chat room, I seen that somebody was talking about it, and then the news brought it up, and I'm like, GCT, and I realized that it was a previous IPO, and I basically missed out on the move. So it was, like I said, there was not a lot of opportunities in the market, but this one was ripping, and right now it looked like it's going to start ripping again, and you might see me trade it. But let's go to the main screen. But anyway, this is CGT, well, GCT, sorry if I made that mistake, is GCT, correction. But anyway, so the first trade I took on it was around what time it was at 11:48. I got in at 11:48, and at the price of 54.16. So 54.16 was basically at the top of here. This hit a high of this one hit a high of 54.40, and I got in at 54.16, right? And then it hit 64.40. I think it double top over here, made a double top, and then it just fell. And as you can see, if you guys don't know, this stock was halting basically back and forth, halting up, halting down, halting up. Then we got a nice runner, and I was thinking that, okay, this stock is very strong. This stock was trading, I think, up either 200 and some change percent on the day. Right now it's trading 251% on the day. Yes, right now I think it was like 200 and some change, I don't remember exactly. And it was just going, and my entry over here, it came down and then it halted going up. I'm thinking more momentum is coming in, and then I got caught in here thinking that it's going to continue going up. People was going to start jumping in, and I don't know if I would call this, I got in fear of missing out, FOMO. I don't think so, but I think I had the right idea of like, okay, there's some momentum coming, and this happening right here was just a fluke. I did, who could have, timed it. But look, I look like I think I'm gonna take a trade into this because it looked like it want to go higher. You might see me take a trade today. Let's see. I'm trying to read. The high of this is 57. 57 is giving us a hard time. I'm gonna attempt to go in. I got in with 13 shares at average cost is 56.50, right? So I'm up $1 and change. Come on, let's go. Let's try to break 57. If the 57 break, we're gonna get, yes, that's what I'm talking about. Up $7. Keep it going. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Momentum, come on. 8. Reading the level 2s. Yes, let's go. Up 29, 30, 50. Come on. We're trying to have to break 60. If we could break 60, that would be awesome. But we getting a little pullback. I don't want this to flush on me. Come on, we should. Down. And this is my price. Let's see. Hold up. Let's get some momentum. I think it's gonna retest 60. Let's see. This should retest, try to retest 60. And if it's strong enough, break through 60, this should continue going up. 59. 59, let's go. If you guys like this, please like, share, subscribe, all of that. Let's go. Come on, let's go, baby. 59, 60, 63. A lot of sellers. They're trying to push this down. $59, $49. I'm trying to be patient, and then I'm not trying to like be shaken out, but I still got to be careful because it can flush. But I still think there's some momentum in it. I'm gonna take that. So I think how much I lost a little bit on that. So down 23. I'm gonna enter again to anticipate that break off that 60. There is some momentum in there. Let's see. We probably need a little pullback, and then probably retest for the break of 60. I'm just reading the level 2. I'm not really talking right now because I'm just trying to focus. We got what? But yeah, so got like what, almost 2 more minutes till the 5-minute close. Got to see how that reacts. The pullback, light volume, which is a good sign. A little bit more pullback. If this breaks 60, I think we should probably even go higher. But might be some resistance. That's that flush. Hopefully it can hold up. Hold up. Hold up. Come on. But anyway, let me finish what I was saying. So yeah, so I got in the second trade I took, I got in at let's see, I got in at 45 30 34, and this was around 35, around here. I got it on this candle, 45 34. Yep, around here somewhere in this range. And then I just rolled it all the way up with 14 shares. And this was the right entry, and it kept going higher, and I sold at 56.50, right? So 56.50. So I sold around here, and this candle is when it broke tap 60. Okay, look, this look like I want to go. I'm gonna try it again. Hold on. Let's see. Candle's about to close. Let me get that momentum. The break. Reading level 2. 57. That 60 is a strong resistance. Tapped it 2 times. Actually 3 times. Tapped it here. It came close to tapping it here. This was 59.80, and this was 50. Yeah, and this was 59, 50, no, 59.63. Let's see. Can this break with this new 5 minute? We'll see. Struggling. Might need to pull back a little bit more. But anyway, so yeah, I got in at what 45.34, and I sold my share at 53.65. So that was a good trade, and I made back basically majority of my loss that I was now I was negative 16 with that trade. I was down 134, and then this one brought me down to negative 16. Then as you can see, I traded live in front of you guys, and I was up, I think, like $50 or 40 something dollars, and then I got some, came down with that flush, and I lost, I think probably 16 something, like $5 or $6 on that, and now I'm down negative 23 on the day. So good trade overall. Just didn't take profit. I was expecting or anticipating the break of 60, but I think we should get it, and hopefully you guys can see me live trading it. But I don't want to stay too long because I got things to do. But I'm gonna turn my camera off, and then we're gonna just like watch this for now. It's still hot, so we'll see how that goes. So I'm gonna turn my camera off for now, but you'll see the live recording webcam. But yeah, so let's see. Probably trying to build up some more steam. I think this, can we get it here? Let's see. Probably over the price of, what's the high of this? 70. But let's see. Reading the level 2. Let's see, 14. My commission is probably, let's see how much commission I made I use up so far. Commission account, let's see. So $17 in commission. If I make back, I should be able to make profit and that back. So no worries. I just need that break. Probably could get in on a dip buy, hopefully. What time is it? Okay, it's 2:58. It's holding 56 very well. Potentially getting a dip buy so I could get a good entry. But the question is, does this want to go down a little bit more? Because I don't want to get in too early and it's not finish, pulling back. Let's see. The high this is 57.70. Reading level 2, that's why I'm not talking. Are we gonna get it on this or the next candle? New 5-minute opening in a couple seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, new 5-minute. Let's see, are we gonna get a pullback or are we gonna get a retest? 57. Okay, we're getting a lot of selling. Don't think, is it ready? 57, 50. Still some momentum in here. I got in. Actually, no, I did not. Okay, so I got in with how many shares? With 12 shares. Anticipating that break, that momentum to go and retest. We should retest. 57, 75. Come on, let's get that momentum. The high this is. We got to break through this, which is 58.78. 58.78. A lot of selling. There's a resistant on 58. Let's trying. All I can do is just play defense, just keep my losses tight. Well, stop loss tight. This one I'm using a mental stop, not a hard stop. And because I came with a small size, I can hold the stock a little bit longer. But this one do make strong moves down to the downside, so it's how quick I execute my sell order. But let's see. Let's break 58. 58. If we can break 58, we should get that squeeze. Come on, let's go. Remember, I got in at 57.94. I'm down $5. Let's see, 58 break. Okay, we got the 58 break. Now we got to break this high, which is 58.50. So we testing 58.50 right now. 58.50, can't break it yet. Should retest it. Come on, let's go. Probably not ready yet. Come on. You see them pops up. This is just telling you that there's support down there. But it's like, will it hold? And I feel like if that support break, we might get a big move down. But let's see. We got like, what, 2 more minutes till the next 5-minute candle. I might come down and retest that EMA. Use the EMA as support, a guidance of support. It's fighting. There's some support down there. It's probably not ready as yet, but maybe the next candle, next 5-minute candle, will probably get some juice to go higher. See some buying, some green on the tape on the level 2. We have to break this right here. It's 58.78. If we can break that, then that's like a next step of being able to see the test of 60, sorry. We got the little pullback. Like what, 5 more? 5 minutes about to start. Open up. Let's see. We're gonna get it now. We got these two right here. It's resistant. Okay. We got some We got some momentum, some volume coming in. Would this be the one? Smash the like button if you guys like this. The live recap, me trading live. Let's see. Come on, let's go. 58 break. We should see a snap on the upside. 52, 58. The big seller. Yeah, there's a big seller at 58. As soon as it tapped, it came right back down. Still some buyers. Who's gonna win? The buyers or the sellers? And look at the spread. Spread is wide, super wide. Super wide. Let's see. Big sellers. You're right there, big sellers trying to sell, trying to push it down. Still holding strong. Still strong, 55. Free tests of 55. There's support there. What this look like it's trying to do is a flag pattern. You guys see the flag pattern? You got the pole, you get the flag. It's got to break through. But it looked like it's starting to get a little bit weak. But slight volume. But I'm keeping my stop loss tight. I do feel like I have potential to break through the 60. Hopefully I'm right. Following support. And then you can see the support on 55 came down, bounced right back up. And we get back over 57. Show some strength. Came back to 55. Retest 55. We're gonna get a flush. Are we gonna get a bounce? Okay, I'm going to sell. So basically back I'm down 105 and it was about to halt, so I sold in time. Still a good trade. Not upset. Perfectly fine, but that's gonna set up the recap. Remember, I was down $134. Now I'm back I'm down 105, so I did regain some of my losses. I had the right idea. It just didn't work against me. So I'm always fine when I have the right idea, as long as it wasn't like a sense of a bad trade. I'm fine. This is just saying if the the tables turn and this was a good, I would have been up 100 and some change. So it is what it is. It's Key Life Trading. I see you guys later on the flip side. Peace.